Force 1 Scoot Mini UFO Drone Kids Aerial Mini Drone Hand-Controlled Indoor Flying Hover Ball with LED Lights Toy for Boys and Girls. Product Details. This hand-operated drone for kids features super bright LEDs that light up this UFO flying toy with red, white and blue. Use your hands to launch and fly this hand-operated drone for kids without a remote. These self-flying hand-controlled drones use infrared sensors to navigate and perform 360-degree flips. Each small drone features a webbed shell to protect hands and walls. Launch this hands-free drone indoors with a gentle toss into the air, no remote control needed. A ring of LED lights shine as you navigate these drones for kids in any room. These UFO drone toys are great beginner drones for kids. Drone measures 4.75-inch D and includes a USB recharging cable, flies for 8 minutes with every 50 minutes charge. Includes Scoot LED hand drone measuring 4.75-inch D and a USB charging cable.